Welcome to the Balsham Music Maze. We have about 2.5 acres of garden here, including the pond in front of us, park and woodland, an orchard and the maze. We have a couple of tufted ducks, and today we have a new arrival, a Mrs. Mallard with 14 chicks. We have a cherry tree, absolutely at its best. Carrying on round the back here, we come to the orchard. Over here in the distance is the entrance to the maze. We planted the maze with lots of help from friends and family back in 1993. It took a year to design it, with various design modifications and iterations using the plans stuck up on the kitchen cupboards. The idea to make a music maze and have a music theme emerged when I realised that a treble clef fitted neatly into the shape of the area available, which is a bit the shape of a poorly fashioned violin case. We've got two variants of yews in the maze, mostly the common Taxus baccata, with the treble clef itself planted in Taxus elegantissima, a yellow yew. There are more than 1,500 trees in the maze, making 1/2 mile of hedges altogether. And in the centre there is a raised area. So here we are at the entrance to the maze. Let's go in and find our way to a raised section which is in the middle. Here we go, with conveniently a couple of benches on which you can stand and look around you. Now there are two other places to visit in the maze. Over there in the distance is a sculpture by a man called John Robinson called Joy of Living, and it's on a mound with an alpine bed underneath it, and we'll go and visit that. And then over here is a sculpture by a man called Giles Rayner, and we'll go and visit that one. Now we need to go down to the path that leads to the water fountain in the pit, which is surrounded by a brick path. Most of the paths in this maze are grass, but here we've got a brick area, and this is a mouthpiece and the entrance to a French horn. And you can see the round of the French horn there, and in the middle a sculpture, a water sculpture. And here I am actually coming into the bell of the brick path which surrounds the Alpine Garden. And here I shall just quietly go around and we can just look at all the flowers that we got here. You can find out a little bit more about us on balshammaze.org.uk.